Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Indian Kitchen Abroad. This week we are going to make chicken korma. I'm using chicken breast today. Chicken korma is a rich curry. It contains yogurt and cashew cream. So for a rich gravy like that, chicken breasts work really well. These are the chicken breasts from the whole chicken we used in the previous videos. Check them out if you're interested. Link in the description box. Now cut the chicken into 1-inch cubes and I'm doing a simple marinade for this. About a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of lime juice or lemon juice, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder according to your taste, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, and about a teaspoon of oil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, slice an onion and green chilies according to your taste. I cut the onions crosswise, you can slice them any way you want. And roughly chop the green chilies. All of this is going to be pureed, so just chop them roughly. Now I'm going to quote unquote grill the chicken for some color on it. That color is not just color, it represents taste and texture of the chicken. Heat over a tablespoon of oil in a pan and place the chicken. Don't overcrowd the pan. If you overcrowd, it starts steaming instead of quote unquote grilling. Now place the chicken and don't move them for 1 or 2 minutes or until you get some nice color on it. Do the same on the other side as well, and we are not cooking the chicken completely. The goal here is to give some color, taste and texture to the chicken. We are going to finish the chicken in gravy. As I said, do this in multiple batches and remove the chicken and place in a different bowl or a plate. You see all that brown bit sticking to the pan? That is money, also known as flavor. Well, the actual name is fond. All that is going to add flavor to the curry. Don't even think about washing the pan right now. Add some oil if necessary and add the onions to the pan. Add some chicken stock or water to deglaze the pan. You want all that brown bits in the curry. Try to use chicken stock, it adds a lot of flavor. Now saute the onions until they become brown. Well, they already look brown because of the fond. What I mean is saute until they become soft and more like jammy. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. If anything is sticking to the pan again, add chicken stock or water as necessary and continue sauteing. While you're doing this, also soak 10 to 15 cashew nuts and 5 to almonds in some warm water. When the onions reach that jammy texture, add the green chilies and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and saute until you get rid of the raw smell from ginger and garlic. When you add this ginger and garlic paste, it will start sticking to the pan more. So whenever that happens, add some chicken stock and saute. Now once that is done, transfer this whole thing into a blender along with the soaked cashews, almonds and the water they were soaked in. Also saute 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and add that also to the blender. Add more water if necessary and let this whole thing cool down before blending. Now while they're cooling down, it will give some time for the poppy seeds to soak. They blend really well if they're soaked in water, so let this cool down for some time. Now in the same pan, heat a teaspoon of vegetable oil, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder and red chili powder according to your taste. Saute all the spices for 10 to 15 seconds and add the chicken stock or water. You don't want to burn the spices. Let this cook for a minute and strain the blended sauce. You don't have to strain it, but you'll get nice smooth and silky texture if you strain this. Now give it a good mix and cook this for 5 to 10 minutes and add about a cup of beaten yogurt. Just whisk the yogurt. Now when you're adding yogurt, the heat should be at absolute low. If you add yogurt at high heat, it splits and forms into curds, which you don't want. Now give it a good mix and cook this until the oil floats on top. That fat on the top is an indication that everything in the pan is cooked. At this stage, add the chicken and cook until the chicken is completely cooked, maybe for another 10 minutes. Now taste it and adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Well, in my case, it tastes turned into a cup after a cup and a cup after that. Now this was really good. I don't know how to stress this more. This was really good. All the small things we did add to this taste. Using stock instead of water, making use of that fond, caramelizing the onions. Anyway, when the sauce reaches your desired consistency, finish it with a teaspoon of cumin powder, fennel powder, garam masala and fresh coriander leaves. I made this cumin powder and fennel powder and I've been adding them in every curry. They're really good. Now you can serve this with any Indian breads or rice. More than rice, this goes well with parathas or naans. That's it for today guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, share the video and consider subscribing. I'll see you next week.